I'm your navigator. I have been a professional linguist since 1996. And since 2008, I have been a certified hypnotist and neurolinguistic programming specialist. And around 2001, I was diagnosed with a very fast spreading form of cancer. And I said no to traditional treatment, chemotherapy and or radiation or both, and being injected with radioactive dye and all that stuff. I said no to that. So if you're into human design, I'm a 5/1 emotional manifester. And the heretic popped out real quick right there, didn't she? But I didn't know about human design and until about 2016 is when I started studying my own and then the people around me, my husband, my two sons, my brother, and it kind of moved out from there. And then I started taking certifying courses in human design. And I'm like, hypnosis and human design. Wow. And this power of hypnosis and human design combined together and how they can create you can basically become the designer of your reality when we understand our own blueprint, what is conditioned, what is not conditioned, what is defined, what is not defined, what is going on within our own energy structure and our own energy blueprint. When you understand your own, you begin to understand the others around you. And this is a really powerful healing space to be. And it's very much needed. And I love that human design really talks about this deconditioning process in order to integrate your blueprint and discover your purpose. And so, as your navigator, I want to let you know that I am, first off, not a therapist. I am a hypnotist and a professional linguist, and my specialty is nonverbal communication. And just last month in April 2024, I presented an abstract to the University of Arizona. And my abstract thesis is the subconscious has its own linguistic process separate from our acquired conscious and unconscious linguistic thought. So it's been here before we acquired language. And with combining Dr. Upledger and Dr. Gary Flint and other thought, modern thought and ancient thought as well, combining these together, because hypnosis has been around for a long, long time. And